Hello brothers, sisters. So still in Abidjan, and today's recipe is a food from the west, okay, the western tribe or the western part of Ivory Coast. This is called clay. Ooh! Man, mamma mia, look at that. Man, this is so nice. This is so nice. And it's amazing, a unique recipe, man. I have no idea about this. Ah, you have to cut it. Voila. Let's go inside, do the rundown, and just show you guys how this is done. If this is the first time watching, kindly share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a brother. Cooking with Sindaco, Abidjan Diaries, or Kodo. Yeah, so still in Côte d'Ivoire, man, Abidjan Diaries. I'm here with Madam Azago and Alex. We're going to the market to buy the ingredients to prepare this recipe. Amazing recipe by our standard. Stay tuned, stay connected. Cooking with Sindaco, Ivory Diaries, man. It is what it is. Let's do this. So this is the local market in Abududume. We're about to get our ingredients, okay? Then African market looks the same. No matter where you are, where you go, the settings and everything is the same. Okay. So the soup is called clay, and these ingredients are the main two ingredients that's used to prepare this soup. It draws and gives like that slimy like okra, but it's not okra. They look like a bark of a tree. One is dry, pounded into a powder, another one is still fresh. Okay, that also needs to be pounded. By the end of the cooking, it gives that sliminess, and this is crazy. I don't know if anyone knows the English name for these two. Please let me know in the comment section so others can learn. Okay, so we have our water on fire. Va chauffer, ok.
Il y a combien de filles à l'ouest, non?
Le clay. Le clay, ok.
Ça se mélange avec ça.
Yeah.
Donc, tu n'es pas obligé de mélanger avec.
Ok.
Hein?
Ah non, obligé. Ok. Obligé, ok.
Tu peux le faire simple.
Ok.
Tu peux faire ça aussi simple.
Ok.
Ou bien, si tu veux, tu mélanges les deux.
Ok.
Voilà.
Ok.
Et c'est une nourriture de l'ouest.
Ok.
Ça se mange chez les guérés, les wobels, les yakouba. Dans la région de Mandiokwe.
Okay. 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 So what she says is that this is the clay, okay, for the recipe. But you can add this and the other one to it. This is optional. But if you have the two, it's okay. So they showed me this. This is like a tree, a back of a tree, and they pounded everything together like a powder. Okay. So these two is what's making the sauce. And then we have crab also. We have pepper, and then we have crab, yeah, and we have fish.
Poisson.
Yeah, poisson. Okay.
Le blé.
Yeah.
Okay.
La haie.
Voilà.
Okay.
Ça c'est du thon.
Tuna. Okay. So we first wash our tuna, the fish. Okay. With hot water, a bit of warm water, and it goes inside the warm water like that. Okay. This is tinja. This is what we use for salted fish kako in Ghana. Okay. This is a traditional indigenous local food from the western part of Côte d'Ivoire, and that's what we're preparing. Little ingredients to prepare the whole recipe, and I believe more or less like a northern part of food we have in Ghana. So we wash our crab. Wow.
Yellow.
So this kind of food, not everyone can prepare it, okay? So the lady behind me couldn't prepare it, and she's the one doing it because she's from the West, okay? So this is one of the reasons why I'm doing this video, that people can migrate or people can watch any video or food video and learn a food from a particular region or country, okay? That's the importance of this channel. So it goes inside the boiling water or the hot water on fire. Okay, everything goes inside.
There is no hurry in life. Yellow sister, make you take your time. Make you know wood yourself for money. I'm telling you, money go quench you. Yellow sister.
So we add salt to it, salt to taste. Amazing.
Wait till the concept.
So this mushroom, okay, mushroom. Yeah. Okay. We take off all the dirt and everything. the wanted particles, everything. It goes inside here. So we're now adding our mushroom. Okay, it goes inside the boiling steamed fish and the meat. Okay, this also goes inside. The mushroom goes inside. So we just added water to it, and we have something like this. So this is dry pepper. Okay, we're about to blend them together using the blender.
Pla pla.
Pla pla. Okay, pla pla. Okay.
Sioko.
Sioko. Okay.
Pla pla.
Okay. So we're about to pound it. It goes in there like that.
Yellow, yellow, yellow. Yellow sister.
So this is the clay in the powder form. So it's the back of a tree and being pounded like this. So it's kind of a smell like kuka. Okay, so kuka soup too. They have the leaves being pounded like a powder form and it goes inside the soup. Same as this, but this is different. Okay, but it has that kind of similarities. This is brown and kuka is green.
Everything make mania for the sunny side. Yellow CC for corner.
So our ground pepper now goes inside like that. Wow. This is a traditional food, raisin, a typical local food. So we have
Akwaba is akan.
Akan. So you speak Akan? You speak Akan? You Akan. Baoulé, you Baoulé. Yeah? Abure. Baoulé, Abure. Ebrié. Mélangé. Ah, okay. Ah, so you're situé à faire Sud. Sud Akan. Sud Abidjan. Okay. Akan. Oh, okay. Ghana Akan, exactly. So the southern part of Côte d'Ivoire is Akan. So Abure, Enyin, Baoulé, Eni, Ajuku, they all Akan. That's why she has Akwaba over here. Bon arrivé. 2023, exactly. So we have something like this. We have something like this after 5 minutes of adding the pepper.
Too much wahala for my house, oh. I don't know waiting I go do. I go pay you tomorrow.
Why good?
I good.
I want the crap for money.
Wow. Man, spicy. Yeah. Amazing.
Cette sauce-là a besoin de beaucoup de piment parce que quand il n'y a pas assez, tu ne peux pas manger.
Oh, okay.
Voilà, donc ça doit être beaucoup épicé.
Épicé, okay. Wow. But it's like it's only hit once and that's it. Amen. So we're now adding our pounded ingredients or stuff goes inside. The seed that we just pounded, it now goes inside. Okay.
So before our pounded ingredients goes inside, we have to take out or bring out all our fish from the boiling water outside and also pour some of the water or fetch some of the water from the pan so that we can have very little water on fire and so that we can whisk or stir this pounded ingredient so that we can start having that sliminess inside it.
So the seed that we pounded now goes in. So it goes in like that. We mix everything together, making sure that there's no lumps. Okay, there's no lumps. It goes in. It looks slimy. Wow, it looks like okra kind of, but I don't know what it is. But it's giving this texture and this amazing sliminess over here.
So this is the reason why she said you can either use either one of the two. Okay, but if you want more sliminess, then you can use the two together.
So you're about to mix. Yeah. Everything goes in here. Then our powder comes in.
Yeah. Voilà, mélanger.
Okay, mélanger. Then we stir everything together. Man, you see the concoction that we are mixing? This is like a herbal medicine. So this really defines a healthy herbal food from Africa. West Africa. Amazing.
I want to forget my problems.
So it has that slimy texture. Okay, so that's what she's beating it. Okay.
I go pay you tomorrow. If I booze, I go forget my problems.
So the more you beat, the more it becomes slimy. The more you beat, the more it becomes slimy. Amazing. Over here too. Okay, so it goes in like that. It goes in like that. Wow. So it beats everything like this. Wow. But it's so unique. This is so unique. Well, look at that. Now we're adding our, yeah, okay, our meat, everything goes in like that. We make gentle stir, and that's it. Amazing. Amazing. Wow. And this looks so amazing. The process and the steps in which she's preparing this recipe is so great. Man, you see how slimy the thing looks like? Man, this is so unique. Like, I'm loving the whole idea, it looks like a herbal store, but then this is a healthy recipe from Côte d'Ivoire. Wow. And it's a food from the West, so the Western tribe eat this food. Wow. Finish. It's a bon? Écoutez. Ah, okay. Okay. So let's take a try. Wow. Man. Wow. Man, it has the flavor like kuka. Like kuka. Babao leaves. Babao leaves. It has that flavor like kuka. Wow. Wow. Yeah, baobab leaves. Exactly. It has that flavor. Wow. Amazing. Man, I love it. I love it. Interesting. Hello, brothers. So we're done with our sauce bowl, right? Play. And we have rice over here because it can be served with rice, plakele, futu, everything. Okay. This is plakele, this is rice. Man, let's make justice to it. Amazing. So this is plakele, which is cassava dough, like bankum. Okay. This. Ooh. Man. Mamma mia, look at that. Wow. 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 So. Wow. Sauce play, and man, it is what it is. Wow. Wow. This is amazing. It has a flavor like kuka. Okay, but this, the leaf or the powder that was used to prepare this is a bark of a tree. I don't know if you know the English, let me know in the comment section. But this is so slimy, man. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. 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 This is so nice. This is so nice. Wow, this is so nice. Plakele with sauce play. Yeah. See. Okay, 5 minutes. You show me how to eat. Comme ça? Ah, you have to cut it. Voila. Comprends? So, like this. Then you cut it. Ah. Amazing, man. This is so nice. It's so amazing. It has that unique taste over here. As I said, like kuka. Wow. Wow. Bon, c'est bon, c'est bon. C'est bon. Man, I hope you can watch this video and prepare this recipe at home. Okay, sauce clay. You put it là-bas. Okay. So a bit over here like this. Wow. Man, this is so nice. This is really nice. This is really nice. I hope you can get the ingredients and prepare some for yourself wherever you are, even whether in Ivory or outside of Côte d'Ivoire. Man, this is so nice. This is so nice. Baga, man, this. Wow. Sauce play. Wow. Man, I'm really enjoying myself over here in Abidjan, Abu Dodome. And man, I hope you enjoyed the video. If this is the first time watching, kindly share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a brother. And I believe you can also watch the video and prepare some of this for yourself. Man, sauce play with rice or prakali or futu is what you need. Let's meet again. Cook with Sindaco, Abidjan Diaries, for Shazam and Laser or Kodo. I'm out. One.